So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today we will be learning about how to automate our cold emails. Now people who are not tech friendly, please don't run away. I have a very special thing for you at the very last section of this video. You can automate all your cold emails without zero knowledge of Python or any other code editor or any other language. I'll be sharing you that idea with you at the very last section of this particular video, so please stay tuned. I was sending 20-30 emails a day, and that took around and 2 hours or 3 hours of my time, and that was very time consuming. So I thought an idea, how about automating my emails on a daily basis, and I could save out that 2 hours or 3 hours of my. From then I went out to find this Python code on the internet, and I found this very useful in automating my cold emails, and I was sending out the same type of email to different professionals, different professors. The body of the email was kind of same. Some content here and there I would change according to the professor's need or the professional need, and I would be sending out, but it saved a lot of time for me. So friends, I'll quickly show you what all files you require for this particular task and what is the code. So friends, you can see on my screen I have this Excel sheet with me named as email list. So in this Excel sheet you guys will be storing the name or the first name of the person to whom you will be sending out that particular email. So in this, for this example, I have taken the five people here, five names of these people. So in the second column you should have the email ID of the people to whom you will be sending out your emails to. So in the column C I have that, but for showing you that the email actually works and you can actually automate your emails, I'll be sending out the emails to my personal email address. That's why I filled my personal email address in column B. Now quickly look at the code. How does the code looks? So it's a very small piece of code. This is just 10 lines of code, and you can automate all your stuffs with just these 10 lines of code. So friends, for this particular thing you require two modules, Yagmail and OpenPyXL. So if you want to install these particular modules, you don't have, so you should just write pip install Yagmail, and if it is installed it would say requirement already satisfied because I had it installed. Similarly you can do pip install openpyxl, and if you have it will again show requirement already satisfied, and I have it from before, so no need to install it again. So friends, you can see in the users thing you need to provide your email address or the email address from which the emails need to go on. So here you can see it's my personal email address from which I'll be sending out emails, cold emails to different professionals, different professors. Now coming to the next line, this is the app password. So friends, you'll be wondering, this is the Gmail password which I have saved in my particular account. No, it's not that, it's a different thing. I'll show you how to get this particular password and not to give your personal password to the Python code editor. So friends, on how you, so I will give the link in the description box of this video. Here you'll need to enter your personal Gmail password, and then in the next section you'll have to select the mail, and then from select device you'll need to select Windows computer. You'll need to select generate, so it will generate an encrypted password. This is actually your password, but it is encrypted. Why different means? So I'll just copy that particular password and paste it here. After your work has been done, you can also delete this particular password, so you can do like that way. Coming to the next line, this is a path of the file I have given where my Excel sheet is saved. So how you can get the path? So wherever your Excel sheet you are showing, just do a right click, go to properties, and you can find this location. Just copy this particular location and paste it, replace my path with your path, and give the give the Excel sheet name. So you should give your path location of your Excel file. Coming down to the next line, so this is we are telling the code, please work on the sheet which is active. So right now we just have one sheet, you need not to do anything. The 13th number row is we are just telling how many receivers are there in our Excel sheet. So max row means what is the total number of rows which is present in our Excel sheet. So this will give the total number of rows, the max underscore row variable. Now this is a for loop. The receiver, I am storing the receiver name. In the receiver email, I'm storing the receiver email, and I'm doing this by using this row I and column I. So row is a variable, it will change with every I of the for loop, and the column 1 is constant, column 2 is constant. So from column 1 I'll be getting the receiver name, and from the column 2 I'm getting the receiver email address. You can see in column 1 I have the name, in the column B I have the receiver email address. So you should give it like this way. I'm converting this to a string variable. Now coming to the subject line of the email, you can give your subject line. Let's say I want to add the name of the person to whom I want to send out my email also in the subject line. Let's say I want to Ram, I want an internship. Shyam, I want an internship. So you can give the variable like this way, string receiver dot value, and you can add the variable to your constant string which goes in every email which you'll be sending out. It will be like I want an internship, and likewise in different emails. Coming to the body of the email, so the body your body of the email will contain variables. Likewise we are doing the subject line, so you can give respected. You should give it the name of the person to whom you are sending out the email, respected Ram, respected Sham, whatever. And in the next line, I'm writing a request to you for the internship. Thanks, Ashutosh, I'm giving. And if let's say if you are applying for a graphic designing position, let's say you are applying for coding related profile, so you'll be sending out your codes, your designs. So that would go in the attachment of the particular mail. So you can share your attachment in a similar fashion. So you save your attachment in your local computer. You just give the file path of that particular uh, the attachment file. So you can just replace your file path with this particular file path here. So that would serve the send out your resume to each email. So you can give your PDF file resume path location in this particular string here. You can replace your resume path location in this particular string. So that would serve a purpose, and that's all. That these are some of the variables you need to focus upon: your email address, your password, your path location of the Excel file, and your attachment, and your subject line and the content line of the email. That's all. I'll just show you, I'll just run this code in front of you, and I'll go to my sent emails. I'll just refresh this to show you guys there's nothing as of now. I'll just go to the editor and I'll just run this code. So with every email which will be sent out, I'm giving this send email successfully message. So this message will pop up every time a email is being sent out. So you can see 2 emails have been sent out right now. Third email has also went on to the receiver. Likewise the fourth one, and just one is remaining. So you can see how quickly this works out. You can save a lot of hours of your time in by automating your emails like this particular fashion. Or not only these particular functionalities you have, you can do a auto reply to your emails. You can attach your reply email in the same thread. You can attach multiple attachments. You can do a lot of many stuffs with your emails. So if you need help with all such stuffs, I have given a Google Docs form link in the description section of this particular video. Please go and fill out that form. Feel free to reach out to me for any problems which you have. Also, if you want to get this particular application. You don't want to write the code, you don't want to install Python, you don't want all these kind of problems. You just want an application and all these functionalities happen just with a single click. I have an offer for you. Just go on to the Google Docs form link and fill out that form, and I'll reach out to you with the application, that too for free, with your customization. I'll prepare that for you. So friends, go on and fill out that particular form if you want the application. If you don't want all these kind of problems, I'll work for you. So friends, you should go out and fill that particular form. So coming out to if the emails were sent out or not, I'll just refresh this particular. Okay, it's already refreshed, and you can see I have the name of the person coming out as a variable in the subject line. In the body of the email, you can see the name of the person has come out. So these are the variables which changes out in every email which you'll be sending out. And also you can see this Excel sheet I've given the same path location, and it has been successfully attached in my email. So that serves my purpose of sending out cold emails. I now can save around 2-3 hours of my time and dedicate the same amount of time to any other task I have. So friends, I hope you like this particular video. Please subscribe to my channel and share with anybody else whom you think would be benefited this particular section. If you want an application, you don't want any problems, you just go on and fill the Google Docs form link in the description box, and I will reach out to you ASAP with the application. And friends, I please subscribe to my channel, and I will be bringing you a lot many videos of this kind in the next weeks. Please stay tuned, and thanks a lot for watching this video. Thank